jicama, not jicama, jicama. I'm gonna make a jicama salad. All right, so we're gonna, since this is a big jicama and juicy, we're just gonna cut it very simply, like that. Wow. Cool. So that's the peel. It's kind of like a potato. So we just want to peel it off. And then we cut it. We cut it. And you can make these as, you can julienne these, you can make them thin. It is up to you. It's not going to be the prettiest of jicama salads because my knife is not very sharp and I don't have a lot of options, but you get the idea. So you can put carrots on like that. You can just put slivers of carrots on. And carrots are sweet, so it's going to add a sweetness to your jicama, which is, jicama just kind of, I don't know, like we said, it tastes a little bit like a snappy, so it doesn't taste like much at all. Oh my gosh. All right. So then, make that pretty, we'll eat that. I'm gonna pick out a lime, put the lime in the jicama. Probably put some olive oil on it too. Just throw it all in. And then you feed it to somebody. You can also add some berries, I think these are cranberries and raisins and nuts or seeds, some pumpkin seeds to it, and it just adds another sweetness and some more protein. So that makes it really good too. And you could also do lime or lemon, salt and pepper, or cayenne. That would be good too. Yeah, me.